My name is Tristan. I'm with Group 9 genics-app, and I'm going to talk about our goals and deliverables from Sprint 2. So our goals are based on our user stories, and our first goal or user story here or goal is basically just to have a class diagram. So at the beginning of Sprint 2, we built a class diagram. We thought it would help us with coding the classes, and here it is. So as a client, I want a Genics administrator class so that it can be given special permissions. So we actually we didn't really make a whole lot of progress on coding that in terms of JavaScript, but we did implement it in a database, which I'll show you pretty quickly here. So as the client, I want the university administrator class, so special access to back office can be given. And yeah, so this is just another class, and we implemented it in the database, which I'll show you. But well, actually, I'll show you now, I guess. Um, yeah, so we have like Genics app user, master admin, Genics app admin, and student for our main classes. So as the client, I want the implementation of registration login so that people can sign up and log in. So we did work on that, but I guess one area, we started a sign up form, which is right here. So that's our sort of start with next.js. But we created a database that has just basically everything we need that can store everything, including our login information, and then a bunch of users with it. As the developer, I want a basic student class, and yeah, that was not a big success for us. As the client, I want a place to store the persistent data to save the login information for each user, and that is this database basically. So we can store well, down here there it said account settings, and then we have like information about like if the student has been issued or has earned a badge. The student right here, like we store information on their user ID, major, badge display style, account visibility, and we have a bunch of fake data to test it with. We have over 6,000 users put in here and 25,000 badges. So it's a lot of SQL, and just to show that it works, I can run it and it will produce this, this is a command to see all of the users whose last login is within the last 6 months. And you can see it's very long because there's 6,000 students in here. So yeah, so as a client, I want a basic dashboard for each user type so they can interact with the Genics app. So this two team members, our Dana and Colston, made this dashboard. They each made like one made a student dashboard, and I think the other made like an app admin dashboard, something like that. So Colston's going to show you right now. So thanks for watching.
Hey there, my name's Colston. I am a member of the genics-app team, group number 9. And one of the user stories for this sprint was the client wanted us to create a basic dashboard for each user that will access the Genics app. And so I'm going to show you how that works. Let me see. We're going to run the application. And then we're going to go here, pull up a local host. And there you have it. So when a student logs into our app, this is going to be the page that it takes them to. And this is going to be their like dashboard, their home. Next sprint, we'll start to add some functionality here, but they can access classes, the badges that they've been awarded for completing classes. They can change their settings, log out, all the features that a student would have. Back in our project, we developed this by creating our components. So let's see, like the left navigation bar, this is the code for that. We have our dashboard right here. The explore tab is going to be here, so you can kind of see how that was written. Let me see the header. Hello Genix student, right up here. And then what's yet to be completed, but we added the component for the content, which will be this whole space here, which will add features to be displayed in that section. So yeah, that's kind of what you got. There's also a separate login. So for let's see, task or user story number let's see, user story number 63. What I showed you was the student dashboard number 75. There's also a dashboard for the Genix administrator and the university administrator for each university that's going to be using this application. So, but they're going to look identical. They might just have different features here, but same idea, same design, same color scheme. And yeah, there you go.